Night Master palette 15N. Here I'm going into the shade Editorial, and that's going to be my transition color. Now I'm going into the shade Va Va Voon, and I'm just putting that right on top of that, but more so into my crease. I'm just blending that out. And that's what I'm doing right now, just blending, making sure I have a nice color. Now I'm going to be cutting my crease with the LA Girl concealer in the shade Porcelain. And now I'm going to be putting the shade Custom on top of that. So that's what I'm doing, just making sure I pack a lot of the color on. And that's it, completed. Now I'm going to go into the color Scene in my outer corner. And I'm just going to make sure I have a good amount of that. And that's what I'm doing, just blending it into Custom so it wouldn't be so harsh. And I'm blending it into my crease as well. I'm going to be going into the shade Selfie because I put a little bit too much of Scene on. So now I'm going to just be using that to lighten it up a bit because I'm trying to keep this natural. Now I'm going into the color Unique. That's what I'm putting over Custom. That's what you see me doing right now. Just to add a bit of glam look to it. And that's me just blending that out. Now I'm going into my primer. That's it right there. And I'm just putting that on my face. That's the No Problem primer that I got in a boxy charm a few months ago. So that's what I'm doing right now. Now I'm going into my color corrector. This is going to be the first time I'm color correcting, so please excuse me. I was just trying something new because I have a lot of dark spots on my face right now. Now I'm going into my foundation. That's the CoverGirl Stay Matte in the shade D80. And I'm still putting that on. Now I'm blending it out. For some reason it looks very greasy or oily. I don't know. I'm on camera, but I'm just blending that out, making sure I put a lot on. Now I'm going to be highlighting. I'm using the shade Fawn in my LA Girl concealer. And that's what I'm doing, just making sure I put a lot. And now I'm going to be putting some more on my next side of my face. And I double up on concealers now because right now I'm using the shade Bronze Babe, I believe, in my LA Girl. So now I'm going to be blending out my highlight, and that's what I'm doing right here. Being careful to pat it and not to drag it. So that's what you can see me doing right here. Now I'm going into my Fit Me setting powder, loose setting powder in the shade Deep. And I'm just putting it over all the spots I just highlighted. And now I'm using Sketch in my MAC blush as contour because I really like how that looks. So now I'm just putting it on the sides and I'm blending it out, making sure it's not too harsh because that is a dark purple and it can get real harsh real quick. Now I'm going to lightly contour my nose because I didn't want you know, I don't know. I just didn't want it that deep. Now I'm going into my Icon Cosmetics face powder, and that's number 8. I'm just putting that all over my face, bringing everything together. Now I'm going into my PUR Cosmetics bronzer. I haven't used a bronzer before, so this being my first time using a bronzer, oh my goodness, I am in love with it. So I'm just putting it on my nose and on my cheeks. Now I'm going to be doing a wing liner. Nothing dramatic, nothing major, just a small, sleek wing. So I'm doing right now. I have already put on my lashes, but now I'm going into my Better Than Sex mascara and just pushing up the lash. And I put a white liner on my bottom waterline. Now I'm going in with a dark brown pencil on my lips, and now I'm going in with any nude lip. But this one is from MAC. I can't remember the name right now. Now I'm just putting it on and blending it. Now I'm going to put on a clear gloss because I wanted a glossy look. And that's what I'm doing here, just putting on a lot of gloss. Now I'm going to spray my setting spray to tie this look together. And that's the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you'd always know when I post a new video. See you guys in the next video. Bye.